inside of the machine on.
너무 손이 시려워 이거 따는 게. 자, 오늘 런치는 서브웨이 샌드위치를 먹겠샤와용. 오늘 온라인 수업으로 바쁜 우리 아들 딸을 위해서
진짜 먹기 싫었는데 입이 안 들어가졌는데 그냥 어차피 먹으니까 먹었습니다.
맛있지? 이거 엄마 건 치킨, 베이컨, 이건 햄. 맛있게 먹겠습니다. 햄버거 먹방이야.
햄버거. 샌드위치. 안 된다고 이게?
난 안 돼.
내 목이 나간다.
나보고 놀라는 거지. 책 리턴. 야, 어떻게 너 여기서 팔이 다양하지? 오늘도 하늘 색깔은 끝내줍니다. 옥수수는 다 뺐습니까? 하늘 색깔 봐. 여기 항상 다니던 자전거 타고 다니던 트레일. 와, 가을은 가을이다. 색깔 끝내준다. 추수하기 딱 좋은 날. 우리 추수하는 거 구경 갑니다. 잠시 후에 뵙죠. 뿅. 저도 저기 추수하는 데가 여기가 아닐까 싶습니다만 트럭을 보면 되지. 우리 오늘 추수 구경합니다. 트럭 내가 얼마나 추워줄게. 저기 있다. 저기 있어.
컴바인.
이거 다 찍어 저거를 찍어줘야지. 이걸로 추수하면서 옥수수를 바람이 많이 불면 불이 날 수가 있다고. 이렇게 불이가 나란히 가면서 옥수수를 따서 이제 이쪽으로 자동으로 넘어갈 겁니다. Face in the right direction. We're really lucky because we can deliver right there. We don't have to drive.
Right, yeah, right over there. So we don't have to run the semi.
We don't have a semi.
Wow, you don't have it.
No, most of our farms are real close together.
Well, it's kind of benefit.
So we don't have to go very far. We have, if we deliver here, that's like 10 miles from our farm. If we go to Mallard, it's like about 6 miles.
Good.
And then
Yeah. Close door. Oh, wow.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go.
So how are we doing today?
Good.
All right.
I'm so excited. But not too windy today?
What?
Too windy?
Well, yesterday was too windy. We didn't do anything. We decided
Oh.
we didn't want any fires. There was a fire down by the well, but there was some stuff started on fire. So we took the day off yesterday. We just said we're not going to go. So today we're trying to make up for it and get this field done. We'll see. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. There's always tomorrow. I have to stay quite a ways away from them. Everything goes pretty smooth as long as we don't break down. The scale tells me how much grain by weight
Oh.
is in my tank. If it's not done.
That was so tiny.
It's kind of tough for him to
Uh-huh.
just sit around. We got 15,000 pounds, so what I'll do is catch one more time before I dump.
One more time. It's shaking.
Yeah, it's the PTO shaft,
Uh-huh.
and then I don't have it wrapped up really. Because I can slow it down and it won't shake quite so bad for you.
It's okay.
About the time you see grain is so dry, that's about the time you need to plug it in.
Oh, move forward.
Because I don't want to spill.
Uh-oh. You okay? You can see?
You're fine. You're fine. It should be about empty. Okay. And then with this tractor, see now I closed the gate, so now it'll empty out the auger. And I can shut the PTO shaft off. That thing, see this thing spinning? Now it's slowing down. That goes into a gearbox that runs that big auger. So see now it's just slowly stopping. There we go. So we're empty and I'll go back and catch again.
Okay.
It just,
That's there.
it gets, once you get used to it, but after a long day, it gets pretty monotonous.
Uh-huh.
You get pretty bored. And at night, you get tired really quick.
Oh, yeah.
So after the harvest, then we do all of our field preparation, which takes quite a while.
Yeah. Harvesting is not the end
No,
part.
no. But it's the payment. That's when you get paid.
Yeah.
So that's the good part. Quite a bit of this corn was already pre-sold, so that's why we're
really?
Yeah, that's why we're taking it right across to the mill, so it goes really quick. I really like dumping there.
You call that meal?
Well, it's a feed mill
Feed meal?
because they grind.
Ready to go?
We'll catch to the intake and then you can just shut it off.
Here we go.
Way too fast, too many gears.
Okay, I'll work around the intake.
The training right now.
Oh, Lord. I don't want to bother you anyway, so we just waiting.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, pray for Lisa.
Yeah,
Be careful.
He's got a new profession.
Like this big machine, I mean.
I'll slow down a little bit. Yeah, that's definitely right. Springtime can be pretty hectic though because one person running a field cultivator working the ground. Then we'll have
Really hard.
Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome, Sam.
Oh, have fun.
Oh,
but I'll take it in.
Is it there? Still here?
I don't think he's building one.
What?
I don't care. That's fine.
We'll take it in.
I can make a whole house.
Okay. All right.
Well, should we take it in to the elevator?
Sure.
First, we have to talk wages. First, we have to talk about wages.
Well, just one is enough. So this tractor is only for the cart, or?
Yeah, that tractor pretty much runs. Yeah, yesterday we took the day off. It was too windy. So we're up at sorry to hear that. Darn it. Right. Jeepers, well. What a deal, some guys. Well, hey, can I call you back later? I'm pulling in for the deal here. All right, take care. Yeah, well, sorry to hear that. I'll call you later. Bye. Well, my brother, his wife had a flat tire on her car. He went to so they tell me when to stop, and then blows the sample into the office, and then they'll take the sample, and then they know the moisture and the weight of the tools.
Okay.
And then I'll see the scale. She'll beep when it's okay for me to get out. Should hear a horn pretty soon. That tells me I can help him dump. If you want to get out, you can. It's dusty, but it's up to you.
Okay.
It's up
But
to you.
you have to.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Thing I like about this is this whole thing for scale and it's for bone. If you look, see down there, that's taking the grain away. Yeah. Can you see that? Yeah. Now it shows the grain because of the vehicle forward. So you see that? And if you look at the corn, those are very small kernels. That's why we don't have the test. They should be twice that size. They should be much larger. Obviously, smaller than last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just not a good year, folks. But that takes good as bad. You got to take what God gives you. there because then the weight would be different from when we weighed in.
My accelerator, my forward and back and speed. So turn the inside of the machine on. That turns the head on. Turn the accelerator up. Oh! Then I push number 2. It goes down. There's little, they're like fingers that are underneath it. Did he explain that to you? They keep it so far off the ground so it doesn't dig into it.
He said he needed to do math. Count
the rolls.
Yeah.
Yeah. And try to bring them together. Stay. All right. Now we're on the right. Look at the bunny. See the bunny?
Oh.
You'll run all the way to the other end.
Sometimes you see a deer. You see deer.
Yeah. Once in a while. Not a lot. They usually can keep ahead. But then they knock the corn over. Knock the ears off the ground, or off the stalk. So the bunny doesn't want to go out there.
So everything is new?
Everything.
Computer?
Yeah, it's all pretty much automatic, except I have to drive this one. When we combine beans, it has GPS. And you set a line, and you just push a button and it steers itself. So.
It scared me. Oh.
So by the touch of a button, there's rollers under there that. But there's also there's knives, rotating knives that you cut. There's the knives underneath. A lot of them don't have that. They call that a grain cart. You have to just be dumping the wagons. But the wagons would follow you through the field and do the arrow work. They're harder to hit.
Oh.
We're about half done with this field. And we just started this field. So then they left the shoot finish.
Together.
He knows I'm going about 4.7. That's why he tries to go that fast.
Oh, 6 speed?
Yeah, same speed. They do make auto steer that I can control his tractor up here. With auto steer. But it's very expensive and
Oh, you have to.
you'd have to pay. Yeah, but yeah, I'd have to drive his car. I would.
Oh, this way. Okay.
We should. The computer says we should be done by 5:30.
수수한 옥수수는 저기다 갖다가 이제 넣어서 저장 말리고. 자, 이제 세마이들이 계속 덤프하러 오는 장면. 자, 이제 오늘 밤에 설이 내리면 이제 밭은 끝납니다. 오늘 마지막으로 수확할 거를 걷어보겠습니다. 파, 때마침 묵도 치고, 파들이 꽤 자랐네 여기. 풀하고 같이 섞여가지고. 방울토마토 마지막으로 다 따가야겠지요? 추워지니까 터져. 오늘 밤에 서리가 내린다고 해서 다 따고 있어요. 파란 것도 다 따려고요. 추워. 추워. 너무 손 시려워. 이거 따는 게. 노란 토마토가 맛있어요. 그런데 너무 손이 시려워가지고 벌써 가득 땄네. 한가득. 조금 덜 익은 것도 따야 될 것 같아요. 이제. 근데 여기서 피클 만드는 법을 있었던 것 같은데. 토마토가 맛있는 토마토입니다요. 아이고, 떨어졌다. 두개, 바구니, 그리고 쌈 샐러드 먹을 만한 엄청 많이 들었습니다. 오늘 마지막으로 수확한 토마토랑 방울토마토, 그리고 이제 밭은 끝났습니다. 날씨가 갑자기 너무 추워져서 오늘 0도 떨어진다고 해서 땄더니 손이 다 얼었네요. 잘 먹겠습니다. 그리고 손은 이렇게 됐음. 자, 야채를 따로 담고, 그 다음에 방울토마토, 그 다음에 토마토랑 오이. 오늘 밭에서 수확한 야채들. 좀 더 불이 있을 때 써야 되는데. 오, 맛있겠다.